In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to video chat with Skype. We'll walk from creating your account all the way to making your first video call, keeping everything clear and simple. First, create your Skype account. Head to the official Skype website and select Join. Type in your basic details, choose a Skype username that you'll be comfortable sharing, and set a strong password you can remember. Complete the quick verification to prove you're not a bot, then continue. This sets up your identity so friends and colleagues can find you easily. Next, download and install Skype. Click Download Skype and choose the version for your computer. Run the installer and follow the prompts. If you use a built-in webcam, make sure it's enabled in your system settings. If you have an external webcam, plug it in now so Skype can detect it during setup. Open Skype and sign in with the username and password you just created. You can opt to keep yourself signed in on a trusted computer to save time later. Set up your profile so people recognize you at a glance. Add or take a profile picture and save your changes. A clear, well-lit photo helps contacts confirm they've found the right person. Before your first call, configure audio and video. Go to Tools, then Options. Under Audio Settings, pick the correct microphone, such as your headset or your computer's internal mic. Speak normally and check the level meter so your voice isn't too quiet or distorted. Under Video Settings, select the webcam you want to use and make sure the preview looks sharp. Adjust lighting or camera angle if needed. Click Save when you're happy. Now add contacts. Click Find Friends. You can import contacts from services like Gmail or Outlook, or select Add Contact to search manually by name, email, phone number, or Skype username. Review the match, then send the request with a short greeting if you like. Wait for approval. Once your contact accepts, you'll see their online status appear, which means you're ready to connect. Start your video call by opening the conversation with that contact and clicking the video call button. Give it a moment to ring and connect. Enjoy your video chat. You can talk face to face, mute or unmute your microphone, and turn your camera on or off anytime. You've successfully started a video chat on Skype. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more Skype tips and tutorials.